Shocking new research reveals that changing just one ingredient in your breakfast could help you burn up to 50% more fat throughout the day without cutting calories or depriving yourself. I'm going to show you 5 scientifically proven breakfast recipes that can reprogram your body to melt away stubborn fat, skyrocket your energy levels, and finally break free from constant hunger pangs. These simple morning meals work by balancing your hunger hormones and optimizing your metabolism, making weight loss much easier, and they taste delicious too. First up is protein pancakes. These not only taste great, but because they're loaded with protein, they help manage hunger hormones like ghrelin and peptide YY. This is important for weight loss, as ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone, constantly nudges you to eat more and encourages fat storage. And peptide YY, your body's natural full signal, tells your brain when you've had enough to eat. Balancing these hormones enables the body to improve hunger regulation, thus making weight loss easier. And get this, one study divided 56 participants, all with type 2 diabetes, into 3 groups. Each group ate different types of breakfasts for 12 weeks. One group had a high protein breakfast with whey, 42 grams of protein total, 28 grams from whey. Another group had a high protein breakfast with various proteins, and the third group had a high carb breakfast. The results were impressive. The participants who ate 42 grams of protein, including 28 grams of whey, lost nearly double the weight compared to those who had a high carb breakfast. They also experienced reduced blood sugar levels and increased feelings of fullness throughout the day. Those on the high protein breakfast with whey lost an average of 7.6 kgs, while those on the high carb breakfast lost an average of 3.5. The group on the high protein diet without whey also lost a significant amount of weight, though not as much as the whey protein group. This signifies the importance of eating protein for breakfast to amplify weight loss, which is why protein pancakes, especially those made with whey protein, are so beneficial. We'll explore another delicious whey protein recipe shortly, but first here's how to make these easy protein pancakes. You'll need 2 large eggs, half a cup of sour cream or plain full-fat Greek yogurt, 2 servings of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and some cooking spray or butter for the pan. Begin by warming up a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it. In a bowl, mix together eggs, protein powder and baking powder until well combined. Next, add sour cream or Greek yogurt into this mixture and stir until smooth. Pour the batter into the skillet using a 1/4 cup measure. This should yield 3 pancakes at once. Wait until bubbles start forming on top before flipping them over. Serve them with fresh blueberries and a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost. For added convenience, prepare a large batch over the weekend and store them in the fridge, so you have a nutritious, high-protein breakfast ready every morning to keep you on track with your weight loss goals. But wait until you hear about the next breakfast option. I recently stumbled upon a groundbreaking study that reveals how a common kitchen ingredient can help reprogram your metabolism, making weight loss a breeze. The next breakfast is a smoothie that can be made quickly in the morning and enjoyed on the go, crafted with whey protein, spinach, blueberries, and flax seeds. This isn't just tasty, it's scientifically designed to enable fat loss by controlling hunger hormones, supporting thyroid function, and maintaining stable insulin levels. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't generate independently. One of these is leucine, an amino acid that has a significant role in muscle protein synthesis and metabolism. The real magic of whey protein in aiding fat loss lies in its ability to regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin. When you consume whey protein, it stimulates the release of an intestinal hormone known as cholecystokinin, or CCK. This hormone tells your brain that you're satiated, decreasing the chances of overeating throughout the day. On a side note, if you can't tolerate dairy, then a good plant-based protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids is a perfect substitute. This smoothie also includes spinach. This nutrient-dense leafy green is loaded with iron, a crucial mineral for thyroid function. A healthy thyroid boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Including spinach in your breakfast supports optimal thyroid health and keeps your energy levels high throughout the day. Additionally, berries will help bring a little sweetness and fiber. I'll explain more about how berries support weight loss shortly, Before that, let's talk about why we add flax seeds. Research reviewing 45 scientific papers on flax seeds have shown that regular consumption of them can lead to significant fat loss and reduced waist size. Including just 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds in your daily diet over several months can make a noticeable difference in your weight loss journey. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which are natural compounds that help balance estrogen levels in the body. Balanced estrogen is essential for weight management, as imbalances can contribute to fat storage, particularly around the hips and thighs. Additionally, the high fiber content in flax seeds promotes feelings of fullness and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, supporting healthy and sustainable weight loss. Now that we've talked about how whey protein and flax seeds are powerful tools for weight loss, I want to show you how another protein-rich food has been studied for its ability to aid with weight loss when eaten for breakfast. A Chinese study examined how a high-protein breakfast of eggs impacts weight loss in overweight teenagers. The results were clear. Those who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller, consumed fewer calories throughout the day, and lost more weight over time compared to those who had a carb-heavy breakfast. This is because eggs increase 2 important fullness hormones, peptide YY and glucagon-like peptide. These hormones signal your brain that you're satisfied, leading to reduced food intake and supporting weight loss. In simple terms, starting your day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs can help you feel fuller, eat less later, and lose weight over time. This happens because the protein affects hormones that control hunger. Let's get straight into the science of a breakfast combo that's not only tasty but also a powerful weight loss tool. Omelette made with additional egg whites, spinach, and avocado. First off, egg whites are protein powerhouses. Protein is essential for our bodies to function at their best. But when it comes to fat loss, protein shines because it helps regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Eating protein-rich foods like egg whites slows down digestion, making you feel satisfied for longer periods. This can help keep appetite in check and reduce overall calorie intake. Next is spinach, a great source of iron, which, as we mentioned, plays a role in thyroid function. If you're low on iron, your thyroid might not produce enough hormones, leading to a slow metabolism and potential weight gain. Lastly, we have avocados, packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats needed for hormone production and balance. Hormones significantly influence our body functions, including metabolism and appetite control. Consuming healthy fats from avocados can help maintain hormone balance. Specifically, they assist in producing adiponectin, a hormone that enhances fat burning and has anti-inflammatory effects on metabolic processes. So, when you put these 3 ingredients together, egg for protein, spinach for iron, and avocado for healthy fats, you get a nutrient-rich breakfast that supports fat loss by controlling hunger hormones, aiding thyroid function, and balancing other vital hormones involved in metabolism and fat-burning processes. Now, brace yourself for this next revelation. There's a specific type of compound that could be the missing link in your weight loss journey. Most people have never heard of it, but it's about to become your new best friend in the battle against stubborn fat. A fascinating study at Shandong Agricultural University found that polyphenol extracts from blueberries can combat high-fat diet-induced obesity in mice by modulating gut bacteria. Mice given this extract showed reduced weight gain and improved lipid metabolism compared to those on a high-fat diet. The extract altered the mice's gut microbiome, increasing beneficial bacteria like bifidobacterium. This suggests that polyphenols from blueberries may act as a prebiotic, positively influencing gut health to counter obesity. This is one reason why the next breakfast on my list is a great choice. It not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also delivers a powerful punch in the weight loss department. It is Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. This combination isn't just a treat for your palate, it's scientifically proven to help you shed those stubborn pounds. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and also contains beneficial bacteria for the gut, which is an important part of overall health and weight loss. Moving on to berries, we've already discussed the importance of polyphenols found in berries, but these fruits are also loaded with fiber. Fiber is key in regulating insulin levels. Insulin is another hormone that maintains blood sugar levels by allowing cells to absorb sugar for energy or store it as fat. High insulin levels can result in insulin resistance, a condition commonly linked to weight gain and even diabetes. Foods packed with fiber, like berries, slow down digestion and decrease the speed at which sugar enters your bloodstream, thus avoiding insulin spikes. Lastly, we have almonds, a great source of healthy fats. These fats help balance key hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control your appetite and feelings of fullness. By keeping these hormones in check, almonds can help prevent overeating and support your weight loss goals. Ghrelin is often referred to as the hunger hormone because it increases appetite while leptin reduces it. When these hormones are out of balance, we might end up eating more than necessary, leading to weight gain. Almonds help keep these hormones balanced due to their healthy fat content. Another source of healthy fats can be found in our next breakfast combo, which is cottage cheese with sliced pear and walnuts. This meal is not just easy to prepare, but it also delivers a knockout blow in the fat loss department. First up, cottage cheese is a good source of protein. Proteins are our body's fundamental building blocks, and as we've already discussed, it's instrumental in regulating hunger hormones. Next up, we have pears. These fruits come packed with dietary fiber. Fiber possesses this incredible capacity to decelerate digestion, which keeps you feeling satiated for extended periods. Furthermore, fiber also aids in controlling insulin levels by slowing down the rate at which sugars are absorbed into your bloodstream post-meals. This implies no abrupt surges in blood sugar levels that can lead to fat accumulation and weight gain. Finally, let's discuss walnuts, which are packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These beneficial fats help balance hunger-regulating hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. Incorporating walnuts into your breakfast can aid in controlling cravings, promoting belly fat reduction, and enhancing overall metabolic health. Now that you've learned how to set up your day for optimal fat burning, it's important to address potential nutrient deficiencies that could hinder your progress. To discover more about boosting your weight loss through proper nutrition, watch the video on your screen now. That about wraps it up. If you're struggling to reach your ideal body weight, it might be your hormones. So make sure you click the link below this video to take our hormonal balance quiz and get a personalized hormonal report tailored to your hormone type. Also, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment below.